Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to start by talking about the HTML anchor tag. So the HTML anchor tag defines a hyperlink that links one page to another page. It can create hyperlink to other web pages as well as files, locations, and URL. Like if you want to link to a particular file, a PDF file, for example, you can use the anchor tag. So we can also talk about the href attribute that is used with the anchor tag. The href attribute as one of the most important attribute of the anchor tag, which is going to be used to link to the destination page or to the destination file or URL. So the href attribute is used to define the address of the file to be linked. So in other words, it's going to point you to the destination file or destination web page. So here is the syntax of the anchor tag. So you write a like this, and then you specify the href attribute. Href equal, and in here you're going to specify the URL, destination URL, like this, www.lipsum.com, and then you can say, for example, visit Lipsum. Like that. Okay, so if you say visit Lipsum, you can see the text is going to show on the screen here. So when you click on that, there you can see the Lorem Ipsum website is going to appear on your screen. Okay. So what if you want to, we're going to look for another website, maybe for example, if we say pixels. Okay, let's come back here. So now you see that when you click on the link, it opens, in the same page. What if you want to open, when you click on the link, you want the target web page to open in another page, in another tab in your browser. So in order to do that, you're going to use the target attribute, and then you are going to specify the target. For example, if you say blank like this, now when I click on the link, now you will see it is going to open a new tab where I'm going to view the content of the destination web page or the destination URL. That's that. Another thing that I wanted to talk to you about concerning this particular target attribute is that the target attribute can only be used with the href attribute in an anchor tag. So you need to have the href in order to get the target attribute working. So if we will not use the target attribute, then the link is going to open in the same page. So that's basically that. And another thing that we can talk about is concerning the appearance of the web of the link. How does it appear? So like here, I'm changing, the URL, and you will see that the color of the link has changed. So this is just to tell you that in HTML, okay, and an unvisited link, the link that you've not clicked on, is going to be displayed in blue, and it's also going to be underlined. So this is a way for the browser to specify that this is a link that has not yet been visited. So what happens if you visit that particular link, for example, when you click, you come back. Now you see that the color has changed. So now that is to say that a visited link is going to be colored purple and underlined. So don't worry, with CSS you can still change the coloring of the link, but by default this is what happens. And also, if the link is active, it's going to be shown in red and underlined, but you can still modify that using a CSS. Okay, so guys, that was it about the anchor tag, how to create hyperlinks using the anchor tag in HTML, and also how to use the href attribute and the target attribute as well. I hope the video was informative enough. If you have any question, feel free to write them in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's meet in the next video.